In this day and age, collaborative working is a whole lot more than just turning around and talking to the person who is sitting at the desk behind you. Nowadays, teams span cities, countries, and indeed the whole world, and they have to learn how to collaborate despite these distances. We all know that sometimes it can get a bit challenging. In the meantime, that's why we are here today. Hi everyone, I am Fotini from Filestage, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 tips that will help you improve your collaboration with your team. Are you ready? Let's go. Tip number 1. Communication is the key. And I know that you've probably heard it a million times before, but we can't stress it enough. Effective communication is the key to success. And regular communication specifically is a vital part of the collaborative working. To help you communicate more efficiently and in real time, even if your teammates are miles apart from each other, use messaging software like Slack. This makes it easier to chat back and forth, get speedy responses, and keep conversations transparent and well managed. Tip number 2. Give precise and clear feedback. Feedback is really important when it comes to recognizing your mistakes, learn how to improve, and simply keep your projects moving forward. However, there's no use in providing feedback if it isn't clear and precise. Online feedback software like Filestage makes it easy for you and your team to leave detailed feedback on any file type in one centralized place. You can discuss the feedback with one another in real time, resolving any misunderstandings there and then. Tip number 3. Delegate workloads and define responsibilities. And we all know that when it comes to collaborative working, you can never be too organized. Create a clear structure of roles and responsibilities for those involved in the project, and make sure you play to each of your team members' strengths and skills. When everyone knows what's exactly expected of them, you can prevent any misunderstandings, frustration, and issues in general, and basically build a solid basis for effective teamwork. Tip number 4. Be transparent. This is another thing that we couldn't stress enough, and I am sure that you have heard about it a million times before. But you have to know that by keeping your workflow transparent, you are encouraging your teammates to be creative, proactive, more efficient, work independently, which all of that eventually will help your project run smoothly. Project management software works wonders for this, making the status of each project and task crystal clear. In Filestage, for example, your team can see the status of each file in review, including who's reviewed and approved and whose feedback is still missing. And last but not least, tip number 5, reward successful teamwork. Especially if you are a team lead or a manager, it's really important to remember to call out things that have gone well. It can be easy focusing on the negatives, but at the same time, praising your team for their good work, quick turnaround times, and in general providing them positive feedback can only help boost their morale and making them more productive and feel valued. At the same time, you should encourage team members to recognize their team successes too. This will help to create a positive environment that fosters collaboration. And that's a wrap for today. I hope that I've given you all the right insights into the goldmine that is called collaborative working. Remember that with the right approach and the right mindset, you can quickly do wonders and collaborate effectively with your team. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and see you in the next one. Bye!